smells like a sock. Hey guys, it's TheCurlySage. Welcome back to another video. Let me tell you, I am so excited to do this video right now. I've honestly always wanted to do a video like this, like trying treats from different countries because I just love food, and finally I'm able to do one. So a company called Try Treats contacted me and asked if I wanted to do a collaboration with them, and I'm like, I'm all here for this. Now this is going to be quite interesting because I do love food, like a lot. But I'm also very picky, so we'll see how this goes. And let me just say, this package couldn't have come out at a better time because, you know, when you go downstairs and you're just feeling like kind of peckish, like you just want a snack to eat, but you know damn well you don't have any food in your fridge or in your pantry. That was me right now. I was just feeling for something to eat and I knew I wasn't gonna find anything, but then I just see this package on my stairs, so I'm just like, let me just get ready, put some makeup on just to record a video so I can eat this. So I haven't opened this box yet. You're gonna get my first reaction on camera. So let's just open this real quick. I'm so excited to eat. You guys have no idea. I don't think I've eaten all day. I think these are from the UK. I'm pretty sure, but we will see. Ooh, okay, there's a letter. Thanks for accepting a box from International Snacks from Try Treats, and we created a coupon code just for you, the Curly Sage, which you can share with your subscribers. Oh well, thank you. So if you guys want to try this box, you can just use the Curly Sage as a coupon code to get some money off, and I'll also link it down below plus their website. Okay, I am excited. So this is what, oh, these are not from the UK. So this is what it looks like. Oh, they're from Turkey. Okay, I don't know why I was expecting UK snacks. So basically this subscription box is obviously a box of treats from different countries around the world for you to try. Oops, disregard my phone. But this month is from Turkey. I guess they do like different countries each month. This is actually pretty cool. They actually tell you some like different facts about the country that the treats are from. So the Turkish are known for their love of biscuits, hazelnuts, and chocolate. This is why inside your box you'll get a taste of Turkey's favorite wafers, crackers, cookies, biscuits, including the best-selling Haley biscuits, chocolate dipped marshmallow biscuits. Ooh, I'm here for this. The only like Turkish thing I've tried is baklava. Is baklava Turkish? And I love baklava so much. So it gives you a list of what's inside of your box. So this will come in handy just in case it's in like a different language. So this is what I have in here. So the first thing that caught my eye are these. They're pizza sticks, and I don't think I'm going to like these. I'm actually scared to try them, but I will. They just smell like spicy crackers. These aren't bad. Okay, these come on. These are actually not bad. These are actually pretty good. Wow. I did not think I would like these. They don't taste like pizza, like, at all. They just taste like seasoned crackers, like different flavored crackers. So the next thing is cat. And it looks like this. It looks like some kind of biscuit with chocolate inside. So a cat is a deliciously and flaky puff pastry why can't I talk, with cocoa cream and hazelnut filling. A sugary glaze coats the outside of this pastry, giving it a sweet kick as you bite into tons of fluffy layers to reach its yummy cocoa filling. So basically it's like a puff pastry thing filled with like something that might taste like Nutella. Okay, it's really crumbly. Okay, it kind of crumbled. It's not like whole, but just break it off. Down. I'm gonna go back to these pizza sticks. That is so dry. It's like there's not enough like chocolate filling. It's like 90% biscuit and 10% chocolate. Like, nope. Nah, that's like a 2. I wouldn't ever buy that. So the next thing I'm gonna try is Geezy Vig. Is that how you say it? Oh, CZ cracker. Oh, so it's like a Ritz cracker. So CZ cracker is a salty cracker with a delicious filling of cheese. I mean, I like Ritz crackers, like these ones, like these little circle ones. Those are like the bomb. But the cheese on this one looks like white, so I don't know how I feel about that. But if you didn't know, cheese is like my favorite food. Like anything with cheese, like cheese just makes everything taste better. This smells like a sock. Oh, I'm scared to try this. I just don't know why the cheese is white. Like, why is that cheese cream filling white? It should be like yellow. I can't tell if I like it or not. No. Nope. This is a Ritz cracker done wrong. I rebuke you in the name of Jesus. Now, as I said, I do love cheese, but there are certain cheeses that I do not like. You know those Kraft dinner singles with like the wrapper? I hate cheese that tastes like that. Cheese that also tastes like that are the ones in the Lunchables, like the nacho ones. It just tastes like Kraft processed cheese melted. And that is exactly what those taste like, but with a cracker, and I'm just not here for that. So I'm actually gonna try these next. It just looks like chocolate chip cookies. They're called chocolate drops. And if you mess up chocolate chip cookies, then something's wrong. And this is a pretty big bag. They're okay. I wouldn't go out of my way to buy them. There's definitely way better chocolate chip cookies out there. But if I was gonna finish these, I would have to definitely eat them with some milk and dip them in there. So the next one I'm going to try is called a Hobby. Is this chocolate? Yeah, so a chocolate bar with an inner filling of milk chocolate coated by an additional layer of dark chocolate. With an intense cocoa flavor and an irresistible hazelnut filling, you'll always crave more. So that sounds good except for the dark chocolate part because I don't like dark chocolate. Yeah, it smells like dark chocolate. That's what it looks like. So, it says something about a hazelnut filling, but there's actually just legit like actual hazelnuts in here. So that's what the inside looks like. I don't know why I was expecting it to be chewy, but it's not at all. It's just like, it's like actual pieces of hazelnut in there. It's definitely not the best chocolate bar I've ever had. I wouldn't go out of my way to buy it. This is like a 4 out of 10. So the next one I'm going to try is this. I don't know why I got 2, but it looks like it's like one of those like marshmallow coated chocolate things. We have something similar in Canada. So if that's what it is, I'll be very happy because those are the bomb. So these are Haley biscuits. So yeah, these are the ones that are most popular in Turkey, I guess. 2 vanilla biscuits and then dipped in chocolate with the marshmallow in the middle. So these, if these aren't good, like these have to be good. That's what it looks like. I'm so mad. I was honestly expecting this to be like amazing, but it's really not. Wow. That's so upsetting. Like, it's like the biscuits aren't like crispy enough. It's like too soft. Like, it's like really crumbly and just the taste isn't there. That sucks. So the next thing I'm going to try is Biscrum. Biscuit. They're basically like cocoa filled cookies. I really hope it doesn't taste like this thing because it looks pretty similar. Okay, let's try this. So there's 4 in each pack. That's what it looks like. These are good. These are good. So these are actually better than the pizza sticks. Like, I would actually go out and buy these. I'm definitely saving these last two. Those are really good. So the next is the El Beni. Milk chocolate bars consisted of a biscuit cookies interior covered in caramel and coated in milk chocolate. This sounds basically exactly like a Twix bar, and if it tastes like Twix, this is gonna be like the #1. I honestly love Twix bars so much. Hey! Why? This is like a 5.5 out of 10. 5.5 to 6 out of 10. It's like a Twix done wrong. I feel so bad, okay? I'm not dissing Turkey or the Turkey snacks, but I guess it's just like the biscuits there are a bit different than like other places. Of course, it's a whole different country. But it's like, so far, the biscuits that I've tried, it's like too soft. The cookie in this and the biscuit in this is like not crispy enough. They're just like really like soft and crumbly. So the next thing I'm trying is the, I'm not even going to try to pronounce this. So this is a wafer filled with creamy chocolate filling, tons of crunch and flavor. So hopefully it is actually crunchy. What flavor is that? I can't tell if I like this or not. I feel like it's kind of too much chocolate because it's like a wafer coated in chocolate, but then the wafer is also filled with chocolate. It's okay. This will get like a 6.5 out of 10. And the last thing I have is this. So this is a Cocoa Star. So this basically looks like a Bounty bar, which is like a chocolate bar we have here. It's just like a coconut-y flavored chocolate bar covered in chocolate. So these are chocolate covered coconut bars, exactly. So it should taste exactly the same or pretty similar. Let's try this. Yep. Yeah, this tastes like a Bounty bar. This is good. Okay, so I'm gonna try to rate these real quick. So in first place, I would say these little chocolate biscuits were the best. They're extremely good. In second, I would do these pizza sticks that I'm still here eating. In third, I would do the Cocoa Star bar. And fourth, I would do this chocolate covered wafer. It's not nasty at all. It's just like too much chocolate for me. In fifth, I would do this, like the Twix flavored, similar to Twix but a bit like softer and more crumbly. So that would go fifth. Yeah, fifth. Sixth, I would do these chocolate chip cookies. Actually, I'm gonna switch them. I'm gonna put the chocolate chip cookies fifth, and then this biscuit caramel Twix similar bar after those ones. I would then do this hazelnut bar 7. This Haley biscuit will go 8. Now these, I do not know which is last. These are just extremely dry, and this I just don't like. I'll put, I don't know what number I'm at. I think I'm at like 9th. I'll put these 9th and these 10th. So these were, I'm just not here for these. But these two are so good. Like this one I would actually like go out and buy this, and this one's really good too. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully I didn't offend anyone. I'm just a very picky eater, and I just like, I don't know, I know what I like, I guess. But hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. This definitely like made my craving go away. I was feeling a bit like peckish. I wanted a snack to eat, and now I just got like 10. But thanks so much for watching. As always, it's the Curly Sage. What's my outro? Thanks so much for watching. It's the Curly Sage signing out. Peace.